Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you the Bitcoin charts, couple of them, and talk about the current price and where we could potentially go. A couple of days ago I just posted this poll in my YouTube account asking for Bitcoin bottom, just to see like what people mostly thinking, because we saw this huge drop in the recent days. And as you see with those results, people are more likely to think that we are going like even more down, depending like how bearish they are, but it's like something like 75% of the people are thinking they're going like even more down, up to 15k or something. So I just want to show you with some of the charts and sharing my strategy, what I'm currently doing and what is my focus for the coming months is going to be. So I want to start with this rainbow chart. And if we are looking to this now, actually it says that we are dropped till 19k. As I saw, like it was $20,071, it like at least at Binance, but it's almost the same prices showing, and it says not even buy zone, it is basically a fire sale zone. So I think it's something we need to look at. If we are also going to check the current price of Bitcoin, we could see that it is previous all-time high. Historically, we never went down from those previous all-time highs, so at least something we should also consider about. And even with 200 week moving average, if we just touches it right now, and also historically it is the bottom, but even we go like lower, like the next technical like analysis average, it is 300 week average, and in this case we will go till 16k. And I also want to share with you the interesting like bottom checklist from Arthur Hayes. I highly recommend to follow him on Medium and on Twitter as well. His new article is coming tonight, so it's very interesting reading actually, and I think he's someone who we could at least check his like notes and his opinion. So he has like three main points for bottom checklist. So first one, that a Bitcoin and like is move increasingly in a less correlation with Nasdaq, and I think it's something we are seeing now. The current price levels are very close to the previous cycle all-time high, so it's something happened already. And the mainstream financial media yeah, saying that it's like, yeah, we are going to to zero. So, and he's saying like three strikes you're out, but it was June 2nd. After this it was 30k at that point of time, so no one knows where is going to be the bottom, but at least one of the opinion. And he also likes like sharing this the matrix with price drop down from all-time high. And actually using this metric, we could see that there is also like some room for like fall even more, because in previous cycles we were like minus 90%, minus 64%, minus like 80% from the all-time highs, and there is something like about 60% for now. So it is still something we could like even go down, but still looks good. If you look at fear and greed index, it's like at 7 right now, and it is extreme fear for the last like months or so. It is not something we should definitely rely on, and we could check how it's like calculated based on volatility, market volume, social media sentiment, dominance, like trends. But historically, also like those fears are the best buying opportunity, and you could see that now it is like in this extreme fear for a pretty long period of time, and like even from the beginning, once it started like indexing, we didn't see actually those huge fears, maybe back in December 2018, something like that. So this is also quite good. There are also some interesting researches from other like YouTubers, for example, from Crypto Crew University. He's talking in this video. I will put the link in the description below. He's talking about 4 days. Death cross, which is going to happen August 2022 if the price goes significantly down, as it did. This cross is going like to happen earlier, and historically like 40 days before this cross we have this bottom, so it is something like happened already or coming soon. And you know, like based on those like assumptions and numbers, I could definitely like say I'm not 100% sure that this is the bottom, but it could be the bottom, or we could likely go a bit lower. But like in those cases, if we go lower still with these prices, I think it's still a very good buying opportunity historically, even with this fear. And yeah, with like current prices and DCA strategy, I want to show you what are the assets I'm DCA and considering to buy. And so, you know, even like this bear market, I currently I don't feel comfortable buying very small coins because like they're going to like almost zero, and if I even buy something like in May, now it's like significant drops even still then. So for now I just want to focus on my like low risk investments, and for me it is Bitcoin because I have some like BTC like targeted the amount I want to accumulate. So even like now it's even I'm quite happy because of it, because I want to accumulate more BTC. Link, it is the coin chain link. It is my largest holding, and I definitely think it will grow like in 2 5 years, because it will blow up on the mass adoption phase, maybe 2024 2025, but I want to accumulate it more and DCA in this one. So I'm going to buy this more. ETH is actually for quite good prices now, you know, because it is Bitcoin ETH chart, and it seems that ETH is now quite good price for now. And those are the coins I am DCing like every time I buy something. It is Graph. I also did one video mentioning this one that related indexing protocol. It is Theta coin. It just yeah, maybe we need something in web3, like something as YouTube. So this is like, I think it's quite strong, and I continue to DCA. It is Atom, Polkadot, and Near coin. I didn't buy it yet, but I think it's good to add in my portfolio, because you know, they're focusing on mass adoption projects, and they're building their blockchain for mass market, and it seems they have very good transaction speed and everything. And why I also think it is good to buy, because you know, currently I see that a lot of marketing efforts are from them on the like media space. I see there like advertisements, and it's a lot of YouTubers actually who are started to talking about them, but I know that they're doing it because of like their rate. It's not something bad. It just makes me even more confident that if they're paid, so that's why like more and more mentions in the social media. And once the people are coming back to the space and not that scared of this like overall situation, they will start considering buying it. So that's why I also decided like to put it in my portfolio, or at least to like think about it like during this bear market. For like my coins which are not like high ranking and very like small, it is some of Atom Ecosystem, Juno, Osmo Secret, it is Solar, Quorum, and Kronos coins like previous Finance, Tectonic. Currently, like I decided to focus on those uh, coins with lower risk because once we are moving to like bull market side, I will have some time to buy it, but for now I want to focus for the low risk. And I also added this column with fear and greed index, because if you check like the fear and greed index for like crypto in general, it is 7. It's like different types of risk for me, considering different types of crypto. But for my um, BTC Link and Ethereum holdings, I could say my fear is about like, or greed, it's like something in the middle, and it's something like 50-50, I could say. Like for those coins, I think it's good opportunity, and I could say it's like something about 30. I don't afraid like to buy them because I'm quite confident in those projects. And for smaller peaks, for currently, like I could say it's like something like 5 for me to buy it, because especially I like bought in the recent months and it is went to like significant drop, and it is something I'm less confident about compared to like those peaks. So yeah, it is something I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.